Once a bird was searching for a home to lay eggs and get shelter in the coming rainy season. In her search, she saw 2 trees and went to ask for shelter. When she asked the first tree, he refused to give her shelter. With disappointment, she went to the second one, and the second agreed. She made her home and lay her eggs, and then the rainy season arrived. The rain was so heavy that the first tree fell and was carried away by the flood. The bird saw this and in taunting way said, "See, this is your karma, you didn't offer me shelter, now God has given you punishment." The tree smiled and said, "I knew I'm not going to survive this rainy season, that's why I refused you. I didn't want to risk yours and your children's life." We as humans are really quick when it comes to judging others. In most cases we don't even know the person or their backstory, what they have gone through, or what they are experiencing. Practice the pause before concluding with a judgment, and see the difference.